Every day begins with a task. 3 inspectors, 1 office worker, 1 client, multiple applications, all connected by one thing, Metrel Cloud Storage. But fieldwork isn't always predictable. Plans can change, installations get altered, and suddenly, your test setup is all wrong. Fortunately, with Metrel Cloud Storage, the solution is just a call and a few clicks away. The office updates the test structure in real time and shares it directly via the cloud storage. No emailing, no USB sticks, no waiting. With just a scan using the Metrel Cloud App, the instrument connects and data flows. Simply download the structure and you are ready to go. A connected team working in parallel, one in the field and the other in the office. Results are transferred instantly from instrument to app and to the cloud storage. No delays, no cables, no risk of loss. Data is backed up with version control and always accessible. With web access, no extra software is needed. Cloud storage is built for Metrel instruments and fully integrated with MESM. The office can start building the report even before the field team returns. Data sharing, public links, shared folders, or team access. Your data, your choice. Spend your time where it truly matters, making the world safer, and trust your data to the Metrel Cloud Storage.